Good morning, my first 2 year trace. Welcome to our math lesson today, this morning. Our learning goal is I know about 100, 10, and 1. I know about 100, 10, and 1. Therefore, this topic will take us back into our place value chart. It will take us back into our place value chart, and we understand and know that our place value chart will have the columns. These are the ones. Those are the ones. These are the 10, and these are the 100. That is our place value chart. This is our place value chart that we'll be using today to recognize hundreds, to recognize tens, to recognize ones. And therefore, having been given a number like 324, having been given the number 324, that we put it on the place value chart, what shall we do? We need to use our base 10 block, 324. Therefore, in the 100 column, we need to put there the 100 base 10 blocks. How many of them? We need to use 3 of them. 3 of them. Therefore, I'll put here 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, this is 1, 2, 300. These are 300. And the 10th place value, we put there how many? 2. In the 10th place value, we shall put there 2 tens. We shall use 2 tens. 2 tens. Therefore, I draw there 1, 2. 1, 2. And in the ones place value, I put there small cubes. How many of them? 4. I put 4 of them. Therefore, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to realize that the cubes for 1, they are smaller than this one for 100. Therefore, the number on the place value chart, the number represented on the place value chart is 324. 324. It is a 3. How many 10? 2. How many ones? 4. The number is 324. Are you able to write the number in ones? Do you remember writing the number in ones? 3. You need to write it well. 3. And don't write 3. 300. 300. 300. And 20. 324. Write for me 4 nicely. 4, not F-O-R. It's F-O-U-R. 324. 324. You need to be able to write the number in the symbols in digits, and also you need to be able to write the number in ones. Therefore, that is one step. That is one step. Another step or another thing that we'll be doing with these numbers, you might be given the same place value table or place value chart. Remember, H just shows 100, T is 10, and the O stands for 1. Then there is a number that has been placed there. And this number is 233. 233. But the number has not been placed fully. Not really. The dot. Here we have the like that, then like that. So then you'll be told, can you complete the number? Complete the number on the place value chart. The number is 233. So if you look at 100, how many do we have? 1. And they are supposed to be 2. So what shall you do? You add another 100. So you have completed in the 100 column. It is 200. In the tens column, we have how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens make a 20. And we need to have a 30. 230. So we add 1. So this is 230. In the ones column, we have only 1 and we need to have 3. So we add other 2. Yeah, like that. We have completed the number in the place value chart, and now the number is 233. 233. The number is 200. You should know how to write the word 2. Don't write for me 2. 200 and 30 what? 33. 33. 233. 233. Write it and write it well. Write it and write it well. Another something that you can be told to do, boys and girls, something else you can be told to do, the 233. You can be told to represent the number using the part-whole model. The part-whole model. Part-whole model, where we need to see the tens, we need to see the ones, we need to see the hundreds. Therefore, what you do, you draw. Part-whole model looks like that, guys. The part-whole model. This is the part-whole model. That is the part-whole model. Therefore, the hundreds are 200. Do you know how to write the number 200? Yes. So you write the number 200. It's 200. Then 30. In the tens place value, we have 3 tens. 3 tens make a 30. And in the ones place, we have a 3. Therefore, you just write there 3. 233. 233. Are you able to do that? We call this one part-whole model. We call this one part-whole model. The part-whole model. The whole model. Part-whole model. Somebody can ask you such a thing. Don't be a stranger. Don't get stranded. That is how it is done. That is how it is done. Then lastly, boys and girls, tier 3, you can be told to write this number in expanded form. Expanded form. In expanded form. In expanded form, the number was 233. 233. Therefore, you just remember the number sentence. Remember the number sentence. This is 200. We use a plus 30 plus 3. That is expanded form. 200 plus 30 plus 3. How else can you write it? Can write it maybe as 200. We can split 200. We can split 200 so that we have 100 plus 100. You see, the 200 is 100 plus 100 plus 30 plus 3. Or we can split a 30. We can split a 30 so that we have 200 plus. We split 30, 20, and a 10, then plus 3. So you can write that number in expanded form in various ways, in different ways. Various, that is one way, that is another way, that is another way of writing the number in expanded form. Hopefully you will enjoy your activity today and present your work for marking. Otherwise, have a fantastic day.